And
There's many more ingredients. So today, our topic is about sandwich. I'm going to give you a text to read about sandwich, but before that, I'm going to give you a worksheet to work on the vocabularies about the ingredients of sandwich. Okay, you can see pictures in here. I want you to match the picture on the right with the words on the left, and then I want to link the pictures with the words on the box. You have to walk along, and you have 2 minutes.